Another type of sprites is tiling sprite, which is mainly used to create repeating backgrounds like those in 2D games. To create a tiling sprite, we need to load a texture and include it in the configuration object passed to the tiling sprite constructor. As you can see, it's similar to a normal sprite, but what if we wanted to cover the entire stage? To do that, we'll use the width and height properties and set them to match the app's width and height respectively. Now the texture repeats to cover the stage, however it's not fully visible because the image has quite a bit of padding. Next we can adjust the size of the texture. Note I said the texture size, not the sprite itself. So if we scale down the texture size while keeping the sprite the full size of the stage, the texture will appear smaller but will repeat multiple times to cover the entire space. It won't stretch to fill the area. As you know, backgrounds can be animated, especially with translations, to create the illusion of movement. So first, let me use a more suitable background image. Now we'll simply use the ticker to update the position of the texture within the tiling sprite.